Hello. How's it going, everybody? In this video, we're gonna see how you can create videos in any language using Potion in just a few clicks. Let's get started. So, first things first, you have to go in your Potion account and click on this teleprompter option and create a new script. So in this example, I'm gonna use this pre-made script that I had written a long time ago, which is for influencer outreach. And it says, hey there, how's it going? Yada, yada, yada. Obviously, this is in English. And we're gonna create a video from this. So I'll click on the create new video button, then select this create full-length videos option and select influencer outreach. Check if the script is good and click on generate video button, hit the continue button, and that's it. So within less than 10-15 seconds, I have a video in processing now, which is going to use my face, my voice, my gestures, and convert that text into a video starring me. And this is how that video looks like.
Hey there, how's it going? I'm Kanad, Chief Product Officer at Potion.
Next, we're going to convert that video into any other language. So in this example, I'm going to use German, but you can obviously use any other language of your choice. You can convert it into multiple languages if you wish to do so. So Italian, French, Portuguese, we support over 30 languages. And I'll show a list of all these languages right here. So you can see for yourself like which languages are supported in Potion. But let's convert this video. So head over to ChatGPT and copy paste this script and ask it to translate this script into German. Paste. ChatGPT will do its own thinking. Cool. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to head back to Potion and create a new script. So I'll call it influencer outreach German, paste it in. It automatically saves the script. Then go back to create new video, click on start recording. And this time around, I'm going to select German, click generate video, continue. And that's pretty much it. So within a few minutes, you will have a German video. So within the last minute and change, we actually created one full-length English video, one full-length German video, and you can create as many as you want. And this is how the video looks like in German.
Hallo, wie läuft's? Ich bin Kanad, Chief Product Officer bei Potion. Ich bin Abonnent deines YouTube-Kanals, liebe deinen Content und danke dir vielmals.
Boom. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can generate videos in a bunch of different languages in Potion. There's one big update that is coming up, which allows you to select a video, then select a bunch of languages that you want to convert that video into, and Potion will automatically generate all those different translations with accurate lip sync in your own face, in your own voice, and in your own gestures. So that's how you can use Potion to create videos in multiple languages. Thank you.